Welcome to another little quickie. This one is I've seen, you can hear a train coming. Here it comes. Any minute now it's coming. This one looks like a freight train. I don't know what type it is though, because I'm bad with trains. Here it comes. Oh, no it isn't. Grand Central. There it goes. See if we can get train number 3. Train number 3 coming in. Transport Express. Oh, first all train, sorry. Here comes train number 4 and 5. Here it comes. This one's a double one. Virgin Trains East Coast. And the Grand Central. Try to get best spots for you. There you go. Oh, look. A new Virgin. Nice. Here he goes. Sorry I caught it late though. My bad. Here he goes. Don't know what class that is. You'll have to inform Paul about that one. Sorry for the trees for this part, but I think I might hear a train coming any minute now. 1 minute. Here he is. Sorry for the trees. There you go. Virgin Trains East Coast. Can't remember what class.